With 2 collection containers, the HoReCa 800 fruit collector is ideal for the simple collection of fruit from the ground. The collector is 62 centimeters wide and deposits the collected fruit in 2 containers, each of which holds a volume of 12 liters. When it comes to handling, the 800 model is particularly flexible. The height can be adjusted depending on the type of fruit and the ground conditions. The drum and the handle are similarly adjustable. Fruit with a diameter from 3 to 15 centimeters can therefore be collected quickly and cleanly. The 24-inch solid rubber tires ensure that the collector is easily maneuverable, even on steeper slopes. The HoReCa 800 series, no more painful physical exertion.